Hello, my friend. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. And let me just tell you, I knocked this one out of the park. I'm telling you. So this is our Fold It Club release. It is only available in the Fold It Club, and it's only available this month. So if you're watching this video in 3 years, I'm sorry, you can't get this. This is exclusive to our Fold It Club, and it is an amazing one. Let me just tell you, I am honestly saying that because it is true. Now, what is it? Let me tell you, it is called Make a Wish Fold It. Now, what is so special about this? Well, number one is you're getting all those awesome candles, right? Also, you're getting the words Make a Wish. Here it is, Make a Wish, but those are optional. Why do I say it? What do I mean by that? Because you could say anything you want at the bottom, but look how awesome it does look with it at the bottom. Look how cute that is. Now, you could make these shakers if you want to. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Use your pattern paper. Boom, done. Fantastic. Make a wish, happy birthday. There you go. So simple. Now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a Fold It because it is so incredibly easy. If it's not easy, I'm not going to do it. Okay, let me just tell you that. Now, you are getting extra dies. You're getting the extra hearts. So if you want to add them on the little flames or the little extra addition pieces to like a little highlight piece to the candles themselves, stars, the words Make a Wish, and you're getting 2 stencils. So here's the cute little cover of the stencils. So you're getting a background stencil that is all mini presents. You might have seen one that was almost similar to this, but this one is much smaller and it has confetti on all around it. And you are also getting this one to highlight all of those awesome candles. So you can do confetti, you can do dots, you can do the tips of the candles, you can do stars on the candles, you can do hearts on the flames, you can do extra, so much more you can do with it, right? Awesome. Yay! Now, you also get a handy dandy postcard. Ding, ding, ding. Let me just tell you, my loves, that you can also add on, you don't have to, you can add on, it will ship together, excuse me, it will ship together with your Fold It Club a matching stamp set. For only $8 more, you get a matching stamp set. Now, this stamp set's really awesome because it has a lot of fun words, puns, and things like that. So here we go. Happy birthday. Here's to dreams coming true. May all your wishes come true. Another year and still on fire. Make a wish. A candle for every wish. And you're getting a mini version of the candles so you can stamp it on the back of your Fold It cards if you want to, or decorate your envelopes. So this is only an extra $8. I would say about 75, almost 80% of our Fold It Club members have added on the stamp set to get each month because it's such a great deal. Photopolymer stamps, my loves. Now, I'm going to show you a whole bunch of samples. Then I'm going to show you how easy it is to do because Fold-Its are the best because they're so stinking easy. It's all about ease, right? You really want it to be easy. So here we go. We have this fun one right here. Oh, look at that with the foil cardstock. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, this is a shaped card, or you could put it on, look at that. You could also put it on a card base. So the choice is yours. You could do it either way if you want to. Here's another one where you could just use the outline and have it be at the bottom, Make a Wish. So this one's very similar, but totally different, right? Look at that. Isn't that fun? Now, you can also, oh, look at this gorgeous one. This one looks like it would be perfect for me because it all those my favorite colors. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Or remember I said, there is stuff, the dies that come in this set are perfect for shaker cards. You could make all of those candles shakers, which would be so much fun, right? Then we even have, look at this gorgeous, beautiful masterpiece. It's using our fun rosette dies, but to make them extra large. So Yvette used 4 to make this extra large. Then she put our candles on the inside. And look, yes, it is a shaker. Look at that. Isn't that fun? I love that. Make a wish. Can you imagine giving somebody a birthday present and having this be in the gift bag? I mean, this in itself is a present, right? Isn't it gorgeous? I absolutely love it. Or you could have this be on the center, in the center of a cake. This could be the cake topper. Wouldn't that be amazing? I absolutely love it. This is our rosette die. Now, let me show you how easy it is to make these because it's so important for you to see. What you're going to do is you're going to get out here's the dies. You're going to get out the biggest die in the set. That's kind of like the most important. On the back of all of our fold-its. We have tons. So if you're not in the Fold It Club, you can go, we have, I don't even know how many, at least 50 different shapes on our website. But on the back, it's going to say place fold here, and it's going to say place fold here. So do you want it to be a side fold or do you want it to be a top fold? 90% of the time I do a top fold. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cardstock and I'm going to fold it in half. That's all I have to do. Then I'm going to take this. Now again, if I wanted it to be a side fold, it tells me where to put the paper. Here's my fold right here. My fold is right here. I'm going to do this one at the top. Now I am going to get out some of my Better Than Washi tape to tape this down because I don't want it to move away from that fold. That fold is kind of like the secret weapon there, right? Now I'm going to take this to my die cut machine and I am going to die cut it. So I'm just going to lay that down. I don't want any speed bumps. So I'm going to do it a little bit at an angle. And you know what? We're going to use a big, there we go. And we're going to lay this and go through our machine. So we're doing kind of like two pieces of cardstock, right? Because it's folded. And we're just going to run it through. Now remember, I put that fold inside the die. That way it's going to give me that magical fold. So I'm going to take my Better Than Washi and put that off to the side for another day. I usually just put it on my machine because I reuse it many, many times because you don't want to waste it. And now, even though it's really inexpensive, and now check this out. I have a folded card just like that. Now, another fun magical thing about our fold-its is they're all card size. So depending on if you get a 5x7 fold-it or these are A2 fold-its, they're all going to be standard card size when you die cut them. They're also great for decorations. They're also great for you could make banners out of them, perfect for scrapbook pages. Now what I've done is off camera, I took the exact same die I just used and I die cut it normal, just everyday die cutting. Then because see how it has this funny edge at the top, we don't want our friends to see that. What we're going to do is we're going to add adhesive to this extra piece that I already die cut. And we're going to lay that right on top. And now I have the perfectly shaped A2 card base to decorate. I'm going to die cut some of those other pieces, and when I'm done, it's going to look something like this. Perfect for your pattern paper scraps. Absolutely. Use your pattern paper scraps. So, my friends, if you're in the Fold It Club, sit back, relax. It is already on its way to you. If you are not in our Fold It Club, and you want this one, you need to join ASAP. We do order a few extra because we know we're going to get new signups, but make sure you get in sooner than later because once they're gone forever and we do sell out. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch the video. That'll explain everything about all of our awesome club benefits, our club discounts. It's amazing. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.